earnings season, so lots of corporate managements to cover. But as always, appreciate your time and of course appreciate your patience as well. Let's move on and let's welcome in the management at Radico Khaitan. We have Lalit Khaitan joining us right now, the chairman and managing director, joining us from phone line from Delhi. Mr. Khaitan, thank you so much for taking our call, sir. Let's talk about the first quarter numbers. The net sales for you have improved by about 15%. There's been improvement on the EBITDA front as well. Can you talk about volume growth on the IMFL front and also on the mainline brands?
Yes, you see that Radico has performed exceedingly well this quarter, and the total turnover has increased to 375 crores, which is 15.27%, and the EBITDA has grown by 25% to 42.78 crores. The operating margin has improved by 94 basis points, and the net profit has increased by 29% to 20.74 crores. As far as the volume growth, the overall volume has increased by 12.5% to 4.76 million. But the important part is that the premium brands have grown by 22%, which consists of Magic Moment Vodka, Morpheus Brandy, and After Dark Whiskey. So with this premiumization, the company's growth is very good. Even you see for the whole year, the top line growth is expected to be between 18 to 20%. The EBITDA growth would be 25%. Volume growth would be 12 to 30%, and the premium brands will grow by 20%.
Right. So can you give us a sense, the situation on the glass prices front and also on molasses prices? Last quarter we saw a bit of a decline on the margin front because of these two issues. What's the situation right now?
You see, as far as the molasses prices are concerned, we expect to be totally stable during this year. Same goes for the grain prices and even the glass prices. They increased last year, but this year we don't expect much increase in the glass prices. Secondly, during this quarter, we already have taken a price increase because of the increase in the raw material prices. So we don't expect there will be any effect or much effect on the profit margin for this whole current whole year.
Can you give us more details on the portfolio premiumization which you just mentioned? How is that going to pan out?
The portfolio premiumization we have taken 3 or 4 years back, and we are very happy to inform that our Magic Moment Vodka today is the largest selling vodka in the country across segments with a total market share of 26%. After that, our Morpheus Brandy, it is the costliest Indian brand in India, which again is the totally leader in its own segment and is doing very well. If you see the brandy, this quarter it has grown by 40%. The Magic Moment Vodka has grown by 20%. And the After Dark we have now spread nationally. And I am not giving figures on that, but we also expect that to do also very well.
Right. Anything new that we can expect, sir, in the coming quarters from Radico Khaitan in terms of new brands being introduced?
Yes, you see, we had also started an international division where we are taking the marketing of all the leading brands in the world, and I am very happy to inform you that we have collaborated with the largest whiskey manufacturer and one of the largest companies from Japan, with Suntory. And their whiskey brands are also very popular. So this has already been tied up. And we also, there are many others who are talking to us. In times to come, we also expect a few more brands which will be marketing in India.
All right, Mr. Khaitan, we'll leave it at that, sir. Thank you so much for joining us there. Good luck with all your growth plans. The stock's actually recovered. It's off the day's lowest point now. It's actually spiked up. More management commentary coming in on the new developments. So, well, with that, we come to an end of this edition of BioCell. But stay tuned.